If you're running a small to medium-sized managed service provider business in Australia, then privacy laws should be on your radar, whether you're handling client data or just managing your own. The rules are clear and the stakes are pretty high. Privacy, it isn't just a buzzword, it's the law. So under the Australian Privacy Act, MSPs, just like any other business, have obligations to protect personal information. And if you're managing IT systems, you're probably handling a lot of sensitive data, from employee details to customer records. And a breach could mean not just losing trust, but facing serious fines. In fact, recent data shows that 60% of small businesses that experience a significant data breach actually close their doors within 6 months. Additionally, according to the Office of the Australian Information Commissioner, there were over 1,100 data breach notifications in 2023 alone, with a significant portion affecting small to medium business. So, what do you need to know? Well, first off, you should be familiar with the 13 Australian Privacy Principles, or APPs. These set the standards for how personal information should be handled, including collection, storage, and sharing. For MSPs, this might mean implementing stricter data encryption, regularly updating security protocols, and ensuring that your clients are also compliant when you're managing their data. Remember, as an MSP, you're often the custodian of the client's data. This puts you in a unique position where both your business and the client's businesses could be impacted by a privacy breach. So make sure that you're providing regular audits, securing networks, and advising clients on best practices to avoid any nasty surprises. Did you know that 43% of cyber attacks actually target small businesses, yet only 14% are prepared to defend themselves? As an MSP, you play a crucial role in bridging this gap. Now, let's talk about what happens if things go wrong, a data breach. The Notifiable Data Breaches Scheme means you must notify affected individuals and the OAIC if a data breach occurs that's likely to cause serious harm. So having a solid incident response plan in place is non-negotiable. It's also worth noting that in 2023, nearly 80% of reported data breaches were attributed to malicious or criminal attacks, making it more important than ever to be prepared. Privacy laws aren't static, they evolve. Keeping up with changes is part of your job as an MSP. So whether it's new legislation or shifts in best practices, staying informed helps you stay compliant and protects your business from risks. So there you have it, a quick rundown on what Australian privacy laws mean for your MSP business. Remember that privacy isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about building trust with your clients and ensuring your business thrives in a data-driven world.
So speak to your PAX 8 account manager today to learn more and to explore our security guided growth program.